Alright guys, this is a new angle for me, so I'm hoping you like it. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and I hope you all are having a wonderful day so far. Today's video is going to be yet again another font video. I'm going to show you my favorite commercial use fonts. Now, if you don't know what commercial use fonts are, I'm so glad you're here because I'm going to go into further detail about the definition of commercial use fonts and how you can use them for your business. I do kind of briefly explain this in my DAFONT tutorial, which is my first video on how to download fonts. I have plenty of font tutorials on here of how to download them. I will put the links to them in the video description below, and I also put the cards up here so you guys can check them out. But today's video, I strictly wanted to just list my top favorite commercial use fonts that a lot of people use for their business. So let's get into the definition of commercial use. Basically, when you are a business or you are someone that is looking to sell a product, commercial use allows you to use that font or use that SVG, whatever it is that you're buying that has commercial use rights, and you can use that for your business and make profit off of it. So what a lot of people don't realize is that when you buy commercial use products, they will always come with a license. Depending where you download your fonts from, each license can be different. Some of them might restrict you to what items you can sell them on and what you can't. I've seen this a lot on DAFONT.com, which I will get into further of the websites that I do download my commercial use fonts on. The three main websites that I do use for commercial use are DAFONT.com, you guessed it, 2, Creative Fabrica, and 3, Creative Market. So all of them I've used plenty of times. DAFONT especially probably is the one that I use the most. This video is not sponsored, by the way. Now I'm getting into Creative Fabrica. I do have a monthly subscription with them, which I am so glad I do because I pay a monthly fee of I think $13 or I think it's $15. They have different tiers of what you can pay for. So the one that I have is strictly just fonts, but if you want to download fonts and SVGs, and I think they have a lot more on their website, because fonts can kind of be expensive. A lot of them usually range from like $10 to as far as like $30, even more, $50, depending what you're using it for. So yeah, so I want to give you a basis on what commercial use fonts are and how you can use them. And again, just please make sure when you are downloading commercial use fonts, always check that license. And another important thing is, especially if you're downloading from DAFONT.com, I showed in my first video that you can click public domain and a 100% free, and those will show you the ones that are technically commercial use, but you need to read that description when you go on the next page. So I'll show you guys here. If you click on DAFONT.com and you mark the two settings of 100% free and public domain, scroll down to find one, and some of them will say, hey, this is a personal use only font, or it's a demo font, meaning you cannot use it for commercial use. I know it is under that category, but some people don't allow it. So please do not use that for your business because you can get a lot of trouble for having that font and using it for profit. Also, people have been asking about Cricut and their policy. I do not pay for their monthly subscription, which includes like I think all the SVGs and fonts. I'm going to put the facts in here, but I'm pretty sure they have this thing called their angel policy. If you have their monthly subscription and you use their fonts, you can use it for profit. I'll insert a clip here if that's not the case or if it is the case. Alright, now I can stop talking. We got all the definitions out of the way. You have a basis of what commercial use is. Let's get into the fonts that I love for commercial use.
4 AM, I'm sick of you. White dress looks good on you. Wanna love, yeah. Wanna be familiar. Don't wanna need you. Don't wanna be familiar. Was more than friends with you. Gave you everything. You heal my everything. I hit a peak. What you doing right now is not for me. Need you in the night, trouble with my sleep. Gonna ease up before I dive deep. Never should've fell, yeah.
That is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and click my subscribe button. And if I also missed any fonts that you personally like, please put them in the comment section because I love finding fonts all the time and I'm always downloading new fonts for tutorials. But thank you so much again for watching this video and I will see everyone in the next one. Bye!